Oh boy, I can't wait to study humans and their daily routines.
Let's start by watching a human in action.
Every weekday, I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. I wake up at 7, but I get up a few minutes later. I get up at 7:05. Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face. The next thing I do is make coffee.
All right, now describe to me what the human does every day.
She wake up at 7 o'clock and get up at 7:05.
Oops, you must say she wakes up at 7 o'clock and gets up at 7:05. In simple present, if the subject is he, she, or it, third person singular, we add s to the verb.
So she wakes up at 7 o'clock and gets up at 7:05. Then she goes to the bathroom and washes her face.
Marvelous!
The next thing she does is she makes coffee.
Perfect. Let's see what she does next.
Then I drink my coffee and stretch. After that, I make breakfast and eat it while I watch Breathe English videos.
Ooh, I love Breathe English videos. I'm a subscriber.
Breathe English? What's that?
It's a channel that helps you learn English. You should subscribe.
Oh, good idea.
Okay, she drinks coffee, then stretches. After that, she makes breakfast and eats it.
Wow, you're mastering this.
Yeah, but you know, I prefer to learn by doing.
What are you doing?
I'm going to Orbs to learn about daily routines firsthand.
That's not safe.
See you later. Hi there.
What the?
I'm here to learn by the routines.
Oh, I really thought I was awake.
What do you do after you drink coffee?
Well, little alien in my dreams, after I drink coffee, I get dressed.
After she drinks coffee, she gets dressed.
What are you doing?
I'm recording notes for my research.
Of course you are.
Ooh, can we see your clothes?
This is where I choose my clothes every morning. I check the weather forecast, then I choose my clothes.
She checks the weather forecast, then she chooses her clothes.
I get dressed, brush my teeth, and do my hair.
She gets dressed, then she brushes her teeth, then she does her hair. I don't think I like your hairdo.
What, you think you can do better? Wow, it looks great. You're super fast.
How much time do you do your hair?
To ask someone how much time they spend on an activity, you say, how long does it take you?
Ooh, how long does it take you to do your hair?
It takes me 5 to 10 minutes to do my hair.
Now what do you do?
Now I go to work.
She goes to work at 9 o'clock. How long does it take you to go to work?
Well, I'm working online, so it takes me 30 seconds to walk to my computer.
What do you work on?
I edit videos for a while.
How long does it take you to edit videos?
Way too long.
She edits videos for a long time.
I usually have a class to teach as well.
How long does it take to teach classes?
Here you can ask a different question. How long do you teach classes for?
How long do you teach classes for?
I teach each class for 1 hour. Today I have 3 classes, so I teach for 3 hours.
She teaches online classes for 3 hours.
1 o'clock, I have some lunch.
She has lunch at 1 o'clock. How long do you eat lunch for?
I eat lunch for 30 minutes.
She eats lunch for 30 minutes. Wow, so much time.
And then I dance. I dance while I speak my thoughts because it relaxes me.
She dances because it relaxes her.
I don't usually dream about aliens learning English grammar.
She don't usually dream about aliens.
That's another grammar point. If you're using a negative sentence in third person singular, you change don't to doesn't. For example, when it's raining, I don't walk the dog. But in third person, when it's raining, he doesn't walk the dog.
She doesn't usually dream about aliens. She also doesn't act like a normal human. Do you feel embarrassed when you act like this?
No, I don't.
She doesn't feel embarrassed when she acts like this. Remarkable. How long do you dance for?
I dance for 30 minutes. Let's go! Wow, I'm exhausted. I can't believe I'm still dreaming about an alien. You know, when I wake up, I'm gonna make an English video involving an alien.
Now what do you do?
Well, after I eat lunch and dance, I take a nap.
How long do you nap for?
I nap for 30 minutes.
She naps for half an hour. Hello.
Oh my, you're still here.
Yeah, sorry, I'll leave soon. Can you tell me about the rest of your daily routine?
I've got an idea. I'll make a quiz out of it. Some will be in first person, some will be in third person, and see if you can choose the correct missing words.
She checks her email. She works out at the gym for 1 hour. I cook dinner. It takes her 20 minutes to eat dinner. She doesn't have dessert after dinner. I take a shower. How long does she shower for? She goes to bed at 11 p.m.
Well, how was that?
I got them all correct. I'm ready to go back to my planet and teach everyone about daily routines in English.
Well, although I'm probably officially crazy because I'm seeing aliens, it's been fun spending the day with you.
You don't usually spend time with aliens.
No, I don't.
She usually doesn't spend time with aliens. Thank you, and thank you for watching.
Thanks. What the?
Whoa, humans are weird. And English is really weird.